morning and welcome Shikharji to the Retail Jeweler YouTube channel. We are going to discuss the IIJS virtual today with you. What do you feel will happen for the IIJS virtual?
A virtual exhibition, it gives you an access to the entire range of jewelry on one click. So it is a great platform. We are very positive about IIJS virtual as it was much awaited to fill in the gaps, which were being created in one's inventory because of the restrictions during this pandemic. I would say it is a great innovation which has helped the industry to gear up and meet all the challenges which most of the other segments of economy have not been able to do so.
Yes, so nice to hear, Shikhar. Shikharji, what will be the categories of jewelry which you will be looking at IIJS virtual platform, given what is trending in your city and your showroom? And what do you feel? What are the product categories you will look at, not only from your existing vendors, but also from new vendors?
During IIJS, we were always looking for different kind of jewelries, different kind of material, which comes under the jewelry name. Because it is a big platform and you need to procure everything for the jewelry. We do focus on wedding bridal jewelry, which most of the vendors prepare for. So this is one platform where we look for heavy and high-end jewelry. So that is the same thing what we are going to do in the virtual show also.
I'm sure you have already registered for the platform, and you and your buyers will be very happy to see 330 exhibitors and over 135,000 designs are there, and bridal is a focus in this show. What do you think are your expectations for the next 6 months, which is starting on October 18th with Navratri till March? What is the kind of business you see will happen, and will we make up the numbers of the full year compared to 2019 numbers?
Our expectations are actually they are exactly the same. What we had expected from all these months in the previous years, as there is a limitation because of the pandemic. So we do focus to make our customers more comfortable while buying jewelry. So we do plan to make him more comfortable and giving more options to purchase jewelry. So during these coming months, we expect the same kind of a business, but in a different manner, in a bit different manner.
Thank you very much, Shikharji. It is very nice to meet you like this virtually, and all the best to you for the festive and wedding season. And we'll see you at the IIJS virtual platform.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It was nice talking.